another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, we're working on this 07 to 14 Toyota Kluger. Specifically, we're going to be changing the master control window switch. Super easy job, guys. They do just pop straight in and out. I'll show you quickly how to get it done, but by the way, if you did need them, we've got them on Parts Factory. You can send them anywhere in the world and free express post anywhere in Australia. They're 83 bucks, brand new. Order it, get it in your hand, use this video, save yourself some money, fit it yourself, boom, done. And once you've all got the job done, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so you're having dramas with your window. You turn your key on, you pull your switch, doesn't work. Maybe your auto's broken. Maybe even your lock doesn't work, etc, etc. That's the type of thing that is going to be caused by your master switch. Now it can be a fuse, but if you've looked at your fuse, it's not blown. Next thing to do is your switch, because this is cheaper than a window, the little electric motor. Do this first. Now it's so easy, you can literally just use your fingers. I did it before, hopefully I can do it again with my fingers. Maybe not without injuring my little poor nails. No, I'll grab a proper screwdriver. Just a little thin flat blade's going to do the trick, because essentially you're just popping straight underneath, popping it straight up into the air. You rotate it around. See that little plug there? Button there, you can just push it and the whole plug will just pop out like so. Boom, now you take the switch, you got 3 Phillips head screws, take that out of this bezel, put the new switch in. Of course, it's the exact same procedure in the other direction. You use your new switch, obviously, and you can just pop it back in. These can be a little funny sometimes. Alrighty, yes, so these plugs are a little funny actually. When you go to put them back in, you got to pull this little piece back on the plug. Who knows why Toyota did this, but I trust Toyota had a good reason. And then you can just pop it forward like that. Then you bring the cover back in, pop it in. At this point, you go, right, well, based on Lucas's advice, the windows should now go up and down. Now hopefully that solved your problem, guys. Imagine going to a mechanic and having them charge you an hour's labor just to fit, diagnose and install this part, and they'd upsell you on the part. You've just come direct to the source, guys. I supply the mechanics and I've just shown you the work they're gonna do. So if you appreciate that, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, sub to the channel. Alrighty guys, don't forget, products available in the description of this video. Click the link, buy it, get it to your door, fit it, and yeah, get back on the road and enjoy your year. Alrighty guys, thanks. My name's Lucas. I'll see you next time.